Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub account. So for that you open your preferred browser and you write github.com. After that you go to the sign up option. Here we will show a fancy message. So you enter your email here. In this case I'm going to use a temporary email, because we already have an account. So we click on continue. After that, we create a password. We click on continue. After that, we choose a username. This username will be unique because that will be the username as you will be recognized on the GitHub repositories. Continue. After this, we're going to put N because we don't want to that our email be full of spam. We'll click on continue. Sorry. Then it asks about a small verification, so we are going to say verify. This will ask us to choose the image that has the same item inside. So in this case, the trash can. And here is this one. Okay. After that, we click on create account. This will send a code to the email. So if you put correctly the code, it will show you this page. So here it makes some questions to identify who is the people that are using the repository. So here you can say just me and select the student. Then you click on continue. After that, here it's talking about some features that you probably will use. So in this case, you can choose collaborative coding and client apps. This is basically for the GUI applications. That it's like some of the easiest ways to learn about GitHub. Then you click on continue. And finally, you have to choose an option. We are going to use the free option because we have unlimited repositories. So after this, we are going to scroll down and click on continue for free. And that's it. Now you have your GitHub account. So thank you for watching us and subscribe to the channel.